Hello everyone and welcome back to Sinful Gourmet, and today we're preparing chicken masala. So let's look at the ingredients. We've taken half kg chicken which is cleaned and washed. We have 3 to 4 medium sized onions which are sliced, 2 big tomatoes, ginger garlic paste, some coriander. Then we have almonds and some cashew nuts. We have some raw spices, that is bay leaves, cinnamon, black pepper, green cardamom, cloves, and we have turmeric, salt, red chili powder, coriander powder, and garam masala. Now we'll first soak the cashew nuts and the almonds in some water for around an hour, and we'll make that into a fine paste. Meanwhile, we'll also marinate the chicken with ginger and garlic paste with some turmeric and salt, and we'll also fry the onions. So let's start. Marinating the chicken. Now we'll add some salt. We'll add turmeric, and we'll add the ginger garlic paste. We'll marinate this properly and let it rest for 30 to 45 minutes. Now we'll let this rest for 30 to 45 minutes. So while the chicken is marinating, we'll fry the onions. We've taken a kadhai and we'll add some oil. And we'll add the onions. We'll fry them until they're golden brown, and then we'll make a fine paste. So the onions are now brown, and we'll grind them into a fine paste. So we fried the onions and we've grounded them into a fine paste. We've also grounded tomatoes into a fine paste, and this is our cashew nut and almond paste. So let's start cooking the chicken. So we've taken the same oil which we've used for frying the onions in the kadai, and we'll add some spices now. We'll add the bay leaves, cloves, green cardamom, black pepper, and cinnamon. And we'll add the chicken now. We'll fry the chicken for 5 to 7 minutes on a low, high, medium flame. So it's been now 5 to 7 minutes that chicken was cooking. Now we'll add the cashew nut and almond paste. add the tomato puree. We'll start adding the spices. We'll add the coriander powder. Red chili powder. Garam masala. We'll mix this well. And now we'll add the onion paste. We'll mix this well. We'll add some water. Add the water as per your choice or consistency you want. And we'll let the chicken cook for another 15 to 20 minutes. We'll cover it with the lid and we'll cook the chicken. So let's check on the chicken. Now ready, and let's plate this up.
Hope you have liked this recipe, and I know you would definitely try this. Do let us know in the comments section. Please like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel so that you get notified for the new recipes. See you soon with another delectable and yummy recipe, and until then, happy gourmet.